Okay everyone, today we're going to be working on our double angle formulas. So let's say we're given this problem. The secant of u equals -5/2, and we're given this constraint that our angle u is between pi/2 and pi. So first step, let's find out what quadrant we're in. We know this is 0, this is pi/2, over 2. Sorry, that looks crazy. We'll leave that for now, pi, and this is 3 pi/2. Okay, so if we're between pi/2 and pi, that means we're in quadrant 2. So we're here. So let's draw our triangle here. Here's our right angle, and here's our angle u. Okay, so what does secant stand for? Secant of u is really the reciprocal of cosine, right? So that would mean cosine of u is the reciprocal of secant, as we said. So let's flip that fraction. So instead of 5/2, -5/2, we're going to be -2/5. All right, now what does cosine stand for? Well, in SOHCAHTOA, cosine is the adjacent over hypotenuse. So here's our hypotenuse, and our adjacent would be 2. So where does that negative sign go? That goes here, right? Because our x's are negative in quadrant 2. So we need to find our other leg. How do we find that? Well, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, our Pythagorean theorem. So that would be -2 squared plus b squared would equal 5 squared. 4 plus b squared equals 25. Subtract 4 from both sides. B squared equals 21. Take the square root of both sides. B equals the square root of 21. So our other leg is the square root of 21. All right, now that we have this information, we know the cosine. Let's find the sine. So sine of u is what? SOHCAHTOA tells us it's opposite over hypotenuse. So that would be square root of 21/5. Okay, so let's move on to find our first double angle formula. So sine of 2u would equal, according to our formula, sine 2 sine u cosine u. So that would be 2. What is sine of u? The square root of 21/5. All right, let me erase this over here just to make some more space for us, okay? All right, so, okay, moving on. And what is cosine of u? Cosine of u is -2/5. Okay, turn that into a fraction. So what do we have? -4 square root of 21/25. Okay, 2 times -2 is -4 times the square root of 21. Our denominator is 1 times 5 times 5, which is 25. So sine of 2u equals -4 square root of 21/25. So let's put that in our bank up here. -4 square root of 21, and that's all over 25. Okay, let's erase this. All right, and let's move on to our next double angle formula. Cosine of 2u. Cosine of 2u equals cosine squared u minus sine squared u. Right? So let's plug in what we know. So what is cosine of u? -2/5. Minus squared. Minus sine squared u, what is that? 21/5 squared. So that would give us what? 4/25 minus 21/25. So obviously that's going to give us a negative number. And that would be -17/25. And that is our answer for cosine of 2u. So we'll put that up here. -17/25. Okay, sorry, that's 7 looks crazy. Let's change that. Okay. Sign of 2u. All right, so let's erase this. Sorry about that, guys. Let's try this again. All right. We're having fun, aren't we? Okay. Sorry, that took way longer than necessary. Okay, last one. So tangent of 2u equals sine of 2u over cosine of 2u. What is sine of 2u? Well, look at our answer above. That's negative 4 square root of 21 over 25. And that's going to be over, what is cosine of 2u? Negative 17 over 25. Again, we have a keep, change, flip. So we have negative 4 square root of 21 over 25 times the reciprocal, so that's 25 over negative 17. These cancel. Negative times negative gives me a positive, so my answer is 4 square root of 21 over 17. And that is my final answer. So let's put that up here in our bank of answers. So that is 4, tangent of 2u is 4 square root of 21 over 17. And there you go. All right. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.